Hi, this is Umesh. Welcome to my review channel Zimmo. Dear friends, how are you? Are you happy? Are you healthy? Are you wealthy? So this year 2022 is going to make you wealthy because this is the first month of this year, January, and Glenn Klosky first ever product is going to launch on 10th Jan 2022 at 9 a.m. EST. This year's first launch by Glenn Kosky. The product is Profit Stream. Yeah, it's going to launch on 10th Jan 2022 at 9 a.m. EST. What if you get an app which can give you lot of money? The product which I'm going to review today, I'm going to share with you the information about that product is Profit Stream. Okay, so the most powerful traffic and commissioner app is Profit Stream. It has high converting sales copy and VSL constructed by industry's experts. It's guaranteed to make money because it has high converting sales funnel. It's a ethical software and training packed product with regular affiliate updates and fantastic customer support with all types of email list and traffic. Click and drag and make money, huge money this year. Buy this product, Profit Stream by Glenn Kosky. In this video, I'm going to share with you the front ends and OTOs of this product called Profit Stream by Glenn Kosky, and I'm going to share with you the bonuses and of course the demo video of this product called Profit Stream by Glenn Kosky. And there are very good bonuses for you which I'm going to share with you. So now I'm going to share with you the front ends and the OTOs of this product called Profit Stream. The front ends is early bird $17. $17 price will rise every hour. The front end is for $17 because you are going to get $2 discount in that because the original price is $19, but after discount you are going to get this product front end for $17. The OTO 1 unlimited $67 and down sale to $47. OTO 2 done for you $97 down to $67. OTO 3 unlimited traffic $97 down to $67. OTO 4 automation $67 down to $47. OTO 5 ATM edition $67 down to $37. And OTO 6 license rights $197 down to $97. It's the world first one-click app that pays us from other people content. It's making us $39 each time we click and drag one link. The more often we'll click and drag one link, the more times Profit Stream sinks to our secret platform, and the more cold hard cash we make. Click and drag one time, you get $39. Click and drag 5 times, you get $195. Click and drag 12 times, you get $468. Click and drag 27 times, you get $1053. So how many times would you click and drag? After nearly a decade online, we have developed the ultimate shortcut. If you can copy that you are doing by clicking and dragging one link, then you are qualified to Profit Stream like the vendors are. Wouldn't you mind whether you have to pick this product? Because making money by dragging, only by dragging on link, it's definitely a very profitable thing for us to make money online. So now I'm going to share with you the bonuses what you are going to receive after picking up this product called Profit Stream. So now I'm going to share with you the bonuses what you are going to receive. The new year discount extended 90% off automatically applied at checkout. Come back later and you will be pay more. Get Profit Stream now and take more these free bonuses worth $1,000 only available to early action takers. $1297 auto commission button, value $1997. Swipe the exact same method we have used to generate an average of $1297 a day every single day for the past 12 months. It's yours absolutely free. Then $350 daily affiliate check app, value $997. Activate the same system we use to get multiple $350 commissions daily. Works perfectly with the system you are buying today. Again 100% for free. Then 0 to $1K in 7 days, value priceless. You are invited to the private live online event where you will reveal how to make $1,000 inside the next few days. We expect a full house, so turn up early. Bonus number 4, first profit in 23 minutes, value priceless. This unique loophole let us make our first sale in 23 minutes without a list, paid traffic or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to your inside in 23 minutes, fast enough for you. So these were the bonuses and the exclusive, special exclusive. The first 50 customers get access to Glenn's triple profit suite, which makes US $300 per hour. So you make $300 per hour. This bonus alone will literally change your life instantly. We make $300 per hour with this triple profit suite. Only the first 50 people are going to get this. $1,997. It's absolutely free for you. Glenn Kosky is going to give you 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information products, but together by Glenn and his team, each product details and variety of traffic generation method. These are also free to you. These bonuses, 17 bonuses, includes $300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop better, $200 cash hacks, $2K CPA traffic jacker, $250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, $100 CPA daily, and commission profit hacks, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, and the commission blueprint. These bonuses you will get itself in the members area or with this pack when you pick this product by my link given in the description box below this video, and I'm going to share with you another surprise for you. You will get Affiliate Traffic Lab is a cloud-based software that helps create videos to drive traffic. Video created by this software can rank you so high on Google and YouTube easily. If you want traffic, then I'm going to give you free access to Traffic Lab. But when you are going to pick this product through my link given in the description box, then you mail me the receipt of this product so that I can deliver you the bonuses and also this traffic to you. Now I'm going to share with you the members area of this profit stream. So let's go to the dashboard of members area of profit stream. So now we are on the dashboard of profit stream. We are in the members area of profit stream. Here's the dashboard. So here you can purchase membership level, profit stream, secret $197 daily, buyer traffic app, unlimited, done for you, unlimited traffic, automation, ATM edition, ultimate edition, license right, 30K edition, super affiliates. Here are the tutorials. You can go here and you can watch the tutorials. So here the profit stream support, resources, bonus, YouTube content, profit stream overview, the system. In the video we can talk how the profit stream system works. So let's watch how it is going to work.
This video we're going to be going over what Profit Stream is and how you can get started. So Profit Stream is a fantastic video website creator that builds sites full of the best content with a variety of monetization built in and around the site. So let's take a look at one of the sites. Here you can see we've got a very familiar look to the site. and you can see that there is loads of amazing content that viewers will want to watch and absorb the information. Okay, then we've got these monetization elements. We've got banner ads. We've got a subscribe button here, which is actually an opt-in, so there's list building. Okay, we've got these tabs here, and the second one is recommended. So here you're able to promote one specific product. Okay, this could be a high-ticket product, it could be low-ticket, okay? It could be just a product that you specifically want to funnel people towards. Then you've got the individual videos, okay? And clicking through to an individual video, what you'll see is straight away, we've actually got an ad playing on the video, okay? So this is an ad that we have chosen, a video that we have chosen. You can see there's a call to action here, and you can click the skip to avoid watching this video, okay? But as I say, here's the call to action. Here is the button that goes to an affiliate. But if we click skip, it actually starts playing the video in question that they have selected, okay? Likewise, we've got an opt-in button again here. And on the right-hand side, we've got a variety of other ads which promote other products that you can select, okay? So this is the setup of Profit Stream. Beneath this video, there will be all of the tutorials that show you step-by-step how to set up these sites or take advantage of the pre-created ones. If you require any further advice and help, make sure you watch all of those videos. Alternatively, jump back to the dashboard and you can find help under help where you can communicate directly with the support team. Okay, so thanks very much. Good luck.
So with the help of demo video, you got an idea how it is going to work. Here are the tutorials, campaigns, video products done for you, video ads, free traffic, upgrades and help, and here upgrades too. So this is how it's going to work for you, the profit stream. Now I'm going to share with you the sales page of this product, Profit Stream. Push one button automated loopholes pays us $39.00 every time we click and drag, just so you can make dollars without tech skill, without expenses, without experience. So here you can watch how the sales page looks like and what the information is giving on the sales page. So backed, proven and tested by multiple beta testers from across the globe. Then you are now just 3 steps away from continuous $39 payments even when you are offline or on vacation. Step 1, click any of the buy button on this page to get your copy of Profit Stream before the price goes up. Step 2, activate the Profit Stream app. Just click and drag one link where we show you. It's easy as it sounds. Step 3, we are making at least $39 every time we do this. We get paid directly via bank transfer or PayPal. When you want more, just click and drag again and again. So grab Profit Stream now at a one-time price. Its usually price is $197 monthly. Just pay $19 once and use forever. And you get discount of $2 when you go to the sales page. Discount coupon pop-ups of $2. So you get this Profit Stream for only $17. So if you are going to make your mind this product, please pick this product through my link given in the description box below this video and click here for instant access and bonuses. So let's see. You can watch this by pausing the video, and you can read the information given by the vendor to you. And now 12 must-have reasons to grab Profit Stream immediately. Hurry, act now before the offer expires. We will be closing the doors at any moment to eliminate the chance of saturation. The price goes up every hour. Our members get paid to click and drag, and all inclusive system. We are legally siphoning payments from $2.9 billion market. Profit stream makes us dollar without doing any selling, 100% buyer traffic free, built in, no monthly fees, pay only once and use forever. Act now to lock in dollars in extra bonuses. Self-updating, set and forget system, zero overhead cost, risk-free, 180-day money-back guarantee. For game-changing success with Profit Stream, breakthrough new Profit Stream Profit app, then 100% free buyer traffic built in, Profit Stream multi-monetizations, world-class training, online success or we give you private coaching, Profit Stream works class customer support center. So grab Profit Stream now at one-time price. Just pay $19 once and use it forever. You get 100% money back guarantee with this product. With Profit Stream branded new Profit Stream system value $197. So total value with bonuses, you combine real world value for everything you get today is $16,311 plus. You are right now for just usually for $147 per month, but today only one time you have to pay $19 for this. So thank you very much for watching my review and hearing my review and making mind to pick this product through my link given in the description box below this video. And I hope you all will be happier, healthier and wealthier with this Profit Stream by Glenn Kosky, which is going to launch on 10th Jan. So thank you very much, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like my review, then please hit the like button, and if you didn't like my review, then definitely you hit the dislike button. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, share button, and also ring the bell, and don't forget to comment. Your comments are precious to me, so I'm waiting for your comments, and thank you very much. But my opinion, this is quite good product by Glenn Kosky, the blockbuster of this year in the Jan 2022. So be wealthier with Profit Stream by Glenn Kosky. Thank you very much. I love you all. God bless you and all the best for your future. Thank you.